Hello, everyone, and welcome to Kotcyn. And I'm Dennis, and today we continue our series into the Google Antigravity, the Agent Manager. Google did not only fork VS Code, but they fundamentally changed how we interact with it. They split the experience into two separate worlds: the text editor, where you write the code, and the Agent Manager, where you tell AI how to write the code for you. This is no longer a text editor, this is mission control. So stick with us, we're about to begin. When you launch anti-gravity, you'll see this. This is the agent manager. Think of it this way. In a normal IDE, you are the bricklayer. You lay every single brick, line by line. In anti-gravity, you are the architect or the foreman. You define all the objectives and you hire crews, or in this case, agents, to do the building. And this is where it gets crazy. In a standard AI chat, it's linear. You ask a question, you wait. You ask another, you wait, it's synchronous. But here, you can spawn multiple agents asynchronously. I can tell agent 1 to refactor an auth mod. While that's running, I can tell agent 2 to update a dependence tree. And I can tell agent 3 to write a test suite. I'm not waiting for on the AI. I'm dispatching a team. Go ahead and click the next button. It'll bring you into this before you begin, and you see this blue button that says open local folder. Go ahead and click that and let's open our local folder. And then we're going to find the file we want to work with and click it. Then it'll open. Go ahead and trust this. Yes. And as you can tell on the left, my workspace has already imported my ATA legacy. Now to the right, it says start new conversation in ATA legacy. So it's already ready for me to do my conversation. And in a minute, we're going to be talking about a couple more things. It's going to be planning and also fast. But we're going to talk about that in just the near future. But let's look to the right of that. And you can see there's other models you could pick from, including Gemini, Pro, all the way down to Claude. Okay, this is crucial for managing your thinking budget. You have two modes. First is the planning mode. This is your heavy lifter. Use this for deep research or complex refactors. The agent will create artifacts, which is plans, diffs, and summaries, before it even touches a line of code. Second is fast mode. Use this for your grunt work, renaming variables, running a few bash commands, or quick fixes. It executes directly without overthinking it. Let's do a quick tour of the dashboard so you don't get lost. We're going to start at the inbox. This is your email for AI task. Every agent you dispatch lives here. You can click into any conversation to check its status or to approve a plan. Then you got the start conversation. This kicks off a new task. Below that, we got workspaces where you can switch between different projects instantly or create new workspaces. Then we have the playground, and you could think of this as a scratch pad. If you want to test a prompt without messing up your project files, do it here. And of course, we got the editor view. If you missed the old way, you can click this to jump back into the standard code editor to view and tweak files manually. And at the very bottom, we have the browser. This is what makes anti-gravity so powerful, and that is close integrated with the Chrome browser. And in the next video, we're going to dive into that. I hope y'all enjoying this series on the Google Anti-Gravity. I'm doing this series because I'm going to eventually add some more stuff to it. It's going to be a good surprise. But y'all like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.